like I could pretty much post anybody's imagery. I could find some nice art for sure. And slowly put it in there. But right now it's just the idea. If you got a better idea, please let me know. Like I'm just shooting off the hip. You know?
I like that
Yeah.
idea.
You like that
Yeah.
much?
Mm-hmm.
Peace. How you doing?
Peace. Good. How you about yourself?
I can't complain, man.
Yeah, I already got some stuff in mind, so I like that idea. We can make it a nice gallery feel.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
But what this really does, right? This
Well,
just accentuates your build. If you look at your neighbors, right?
mm-hmm.
Your build is the best looking thing around here.
Mm-hmm.
For sure. Hands down. I looked
Yeah.
around too. Hands down.
It's and what that does is it's gonna force the neighborhood to try to tighten up because there
Mm.
ain't no way you're gonna want your parcel next to this parcel and you just got some what you got over there? You just put some little goofy, you know what I'm
Googly
saying?
eyes.
Like what